Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this simple split text animations intro in CapCut PC. So in here, you can just start by adding the clips that you want to edit. And you can just go to the stock materials here and add this white image or white footage. Then just click on freeze, delete the video one. And now adjust the durations of the white image here into 6 seconds. Like this. Now go to tags and then add a default tags and adjust the durations also to 6 seconds. Change the tags to the one that you want. And here you can change the color into the green one. Change the font size and also the font. Okay, I'm going to go with this one right here. And after this, you can just select both of this and then create a compound clip. Like this. And now go to video, remove background and enable the chroma key. Drag the color picker into the green screen here, this one, and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. So for the tags, let's undo it first. So you need to add animations into the tags. I skipped that part. So just choose the animations that you want. So I'm going to select this slide right, and you need to adjust the durations into 1.5 seconds. Okay. After this, you can create a compound clip just like before and do the chroma key. So after you do the chroma key, let's copy and paste this clip. Okay, make sure it's positioned like this and then go to the 2 seconds, put the playback into 2 seconds and split the two of them like this. And click on the first layer in here, go to video, mask, choose the horizontal. And do the same with the second clip, horizontal, but rotate it into 190 degrees, like this. After this, you can just go to the 5 seconds mark in here, and then in here you can just so here you need to change the positions, but you need to add a keyframe first at the start. So let's go to video and add a keyframe under the position in here. Also the second layer, do the same. And here, go to the 5 seconds mark here. Then go to video again. And here, on the first layer, just move the text up like this. And then on the second one, you need to copy this Y value. And click on the second layer, video, add a keyframe on the positions again, and here on the Y, paste the value but with a negative on it, like this. Click on enter, and let's see the result first, the preview. Okay, so that's basically it. So this is the split text animations for the intro of your video. You can just create it easily with CapCut. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye!